Thriving mode life. What does it mean to thrive? It's more than just getting by or surviving. Thriving is about living your best life, reaching your full potential, and making a positive impact on the world. It's about feeling fulfilled, joyful, and purposeful. In today's fast-paced and demanding world, it can be easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle and forget to take care of yourself. We may find ourselves feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and unfulfilled. But it doesn't have to be this way. We can choose to live a thriving mode life. Here are a few tips for thriving. Know yourself. What are your values? What are your strengths and weaknesses? What are your passions and dreams? The better you understand yourself, the better equipped you will be to make choices that lead to a thriving life. Set goals and intentions. Once you know what you want to achieve, you can start to set goals and intentions to help you get there. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And be sure to write them down and review them regularly. Create a plan. Once you have set your goals, it's time to create a plan for achieving them. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. And identify the resources and support that you will need along the way. Take action. The most important step is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect circumstances. Start working towards your goals today. Be patient and persistent. Change takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep working hard and don't give up on your dreams. It's also important to remember that thriving is not about being perfect. We all make mistakes and experience setbacks from time to time. But it's how we respond to these challenges that matters. When we are in thriving mode, we are able to learn from our mistakes and bounce back stronger. We also see challenges as opportunities for growth and development. Here are a few examples of what thriving mode life can look like. A thriving entrepreneur is someone who is passionate about their business and is constantly striving to improve. They are also generous with their time and resources, and they are always looking for ways to help others succeed. A thriving parent is someone who is present and engaged in their children's lives. They create a loving and supportive home environment, and they encourage their children to reach their full potential. A thriving student is someone who is curious and motivated to learn. They take advantage of all the opportunities that their school has to offer, and they challenge themselves to grow academically. A thriving employee is someone who is engaged in their work and is always looking for ways to contribute to the team. They are also supportive of their colleagues and are always willing to help out. No matter what your role in life is, you can choose to live a thriving mode life. It's all about making choices that lead to fulfillment, joy, and purpose. Here are a few additional tips for thriving. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you spend time with have a big impact on your mood and outlook on life. Make sure you are spending time with people who support you, inspire you, and make you feel good about yourself. Take care of your physical and mental health. This includes eating healthy, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and managing stress. It's also important to make time for activities that you enjoy and that help you to relax and distress. Give back to others. Helping others is a great way to feel good about yourself and to make a positive impact on the world. Find a cause that you are passionate about and volunteer your time and energy. Be grateful. Take the time to appreciate the good things in your life, big and small. Gratitude can help you to stay positive and focused on the things that are important. Thriving is a journey, not a destination. It's about making choices that lead to a fulfilling and meaningful life. It's about being present in the moment and enjoying the ride. So start taking steps today to live your best life. If you would like to take this journey with us, towards a better life, please subscribe and like.